hurry up. Good morning, everyone. It's very dark out right now. It's 7 o'clock, well, almost 7 o'clock. I'm going to school. This is my first vlog, like, on an actual school day. It's January 2nd, the first day of, like, when you know, yesterday I set my goals. I'm so excited. I got 4 main goals, and today's the first day I get to work on those. Got it, Mom. What? Okay, just was taking a look at my old videos. Pre-minimalism. What? Look at this salad. Mom, this looks so good. I'm not watching H2O Just Add Water. What? Hey guys, what is up? It is 8:40 a.m. It is January 4th, I think. Today is a snow day. Going to the gym and then doing an awesome workout, seeing all those awesome people that are at the gym, and then we're gonna do something fun today. Probably not, I'm just kidding. All right, let's go. How far away are you parked, Mom?
Once I'm there, it'll be a blast. It's at this beautiful line.
I just got so much snow in my eye from just opening the window. Oh my god. When we were going to CrossFit Magnitude, it was just raining. It was like just a little bit of rain. 15 minutes before we were leaving, the snow just was coming down so hard. So I wanted to talk to you guys about goal setting, and we're gonna do this in the car because my mom is currently in the grocery store grabbing a few things. So my first goal was to be more responsible, and this is my #1 goal. I am already super responsible. Are you though? But there's just those little things that I want to get better at, you know, paying for my own coffee, use my own money for more things. My second goal was gain more self-discipline. I already have like a lot of self-discipline. I want more. I like to get a good amount of hours for sleep, and I wake up pretty early. I wrote down you have to fall asleep at 8:20. Like, that's the time that you have to close your eyes and get to sleep. My morning routine prior to this goal, I woke up at 4:45, had my coffee, relaxed, and read the Daily Stoic till 5:30, and then I started getting ready, and I had to leave the house a few minutes before 7. That was working, but I wanted a new morning routine, a little bit more efficient, and right now I'm waking up at 4:30, getting ready, and I'm already ready by like 5:45, and then I have that rest of the time till like about 6:40 to relax, read the Daily Stoic, drink my coffee, and I'm really liking that morning routine, and that's the self-discipline aspect of, you know, waking up at the proper time that you say that you're going to wake up, and falling asleep at the correct time that you also said you were going to fall asleep. Really, achieving your goals, it's about discipline. Do you have enough discipline to really get these steps done in order to achieve it. Real quickly, my third goal is to get a straight handstand walk, so a handstand walk staying straight. Instead of doing that every single day, I'm doing progressions. So whenever I go to the gym, I'm again, you know, in a handstand against the wall, trying to keep my balance in keeping a straight position. My point is, I have the discipline to do that instead of talking myself out of it.